The Sikorsky CH-53 family is renowned for its heavy lift capabilities, with the CH-53K King Stallion setting new standards in power, endurance, and technology. Valued at $500 million, this massive helicopter is Japan's latest addition to its defense forces. However, before it can be put to use, the CH-53K must be transported across the globe. That responsibility falls to the Lockheed Martin C-5 Galaxy, one of the largest transport aircraft ever built. Fitting the King Stallion into the C-5 is a feat of engineering, logistics, and military precision. This operation is not just a logistical challenge, but a key move for Japan's defense strategy, ensuring the deployment of one of the most advanced helicopters ever built. The evolution of heavy-lift helicopters. For decades, helicopters have played an irreplaceable role in modern warfare and disaster response. From ferrying supplies in combat zones to extracting stranded troops, they provide flexibility that no other machine can. Yet, as missions have grown more complex, the limitations of older heavy-lift helicopters have become more apparent. Earlier models like the CH-53E Super Stallion were tough but fuel-hungry, difficult to maintain, and less adaptable to the wide range of environments today's forces face. Recognizing these shortcomings, engineers developed the CH-53K, a machine that blends brute strength with cutting-edge technology. The King Stallion isn't just an upgrade, it's a reinvention of what a heavy-lift helicopter can do. What makes the CH-53K a game-changer? The CH-53K stands out as the most advanced heavy-lift helicopter ever built, beginning with its unmatched power and payload capacity. At its core are the newly designed General Electric GE-38-1B engines, the most powerful ever installed on a U.S. military helicopter. These engines give the aircraft the ability to lift over 36,000 pounds, 16,300 kilograms, more than double what earlier models could manage, allowing it to transport armored vehicles, artillery, or massive supplies across long distances. Complementing this strength is its advanced fly-by-wire system, a first for heavy-lift helicopters. By replacing traditional mechanical linkages with computerized controls, the system keeps the aircraft stable in turbulence, sandstorms, or mountainous terrain, relieving pilots from a constant manual corrections and allowing them to focus on mission execution. Inside the cockpit, the CH-53K introduces a completely modernized environment, replacing outdated analog gauges with large digital displays that provide real-time data on everything from fuel levels to terrain awareness. Enhanced night vision systems, forward-looking infrared sensors, and radar also enable safe operation in darkness, fog, or severe weather. On the battlefield, where helicopters are frequent targets, the CH-53K is built for survival. It incorporates advanced self-defense measures such as missile warning sensors, flare dispensers to distract heat seekers, and countermeasure suites that protect crews against threats. Its airframe, crafted from lightweight composite materials, is both stronger and more resistant to damage than traditional designs, ensuring the helicopter can keep flying even after sustaining hits. Finally, its design emphasizes easier maintenance with modular components that can be replaced quickly, reducing downtime and allowing the aircraft to return to action far more efficiently than its predecessors. This combination of strength, survivability, and practicality makes the CH-53K a true powerhouse in modern military aviation. Why Japan needs the CH-53K? Japan's unique geography makes helicopters an essential element of its defense and emergency response strategy. With thousands of islands, rugged mountains, and constant exposure to natural disasters such as earthquakes and tsunamis, relying solely on fixed-wing aircraft or ground transport is often impractical. The CH-53K provides Japan with the ability to rapidly deploy troops and move heavy equipment across distant island chains, ensuring swift military mobility. Beyond defense, it plays a crucial role in disaster relief efforts by delivering vital supplies and medical aid to affected regions where access is otherwise limited. It also enhances Japan's capacity to project strength and maintain a presence in disputed or remote areas. For Japan, acquiring the CH-53K is not just about strengthening military power. It represents a significant step toward greater mobility, resilience, and rapid response readiness in an environment that demands adaptability and speed. Enter the C-5 Galaxy. Now comes the logistical challenge, transporting a helicopter the size of a small house across the Pacific. Flying the CH-53K itself is not always an option due to range limitations, airspace restrictions, and the risks of long-distance ocean crossings. That's where the Lockheed C-5M Super Galaxy comes in. This massive transport plane has a cargo hold large enough to carry tanks, trucks, and yes, even helicopters. With a payload capacity of over 281,000 pounds, 127,000 kilograms, and a cavernous interior that can fit an entire Chinook or CH-53K, the C-5 is the backbone of U.S. strategic airlift. How do you fit a giant helicopter into an aircraft? The successful delivery of Japan's CH-53K by the U.S. Air Force is more than a logistical mission. It's a clear display of international cooperation and advanced military capability. At its heart, it reflects the growing technological partnership between the U.S. and Japan, built on shared innovation and defense goals. By pairing one of the world's most advanced helicopters with the massive C-5 Galaxy, both nations showcase their commitment to modernization. Beyond symbolism, this operation provides a strategic edge by allowing rapid movement of heavy assets across great distances. Speed and flexibility are vital in modern warfare, and this mission ensures forces stay agile and ready. Just as importantly, it enhances preparedness for humanitarian relief in Japan's disaster-prone, island-filled terrain. With the CH-53K's lifting power and the C-5's global reach, aid can arrive faster than ever. Together they form a logistics chain built not just for war but for saving lives. One machine lifts the heaviest burdens, the other carries them across continents. This mission proves that when allies work in harmony, no distance or challenge is too great. The power of teamwork. What makes this mission remarkable is not just the technology, but the coordination. Engineers, pilots, ground crews, and loadmasters must all work in unison. Each role is vital, whether calculating the center of gravity, securing tie-downs, or monitoring systems mid-flight. A single mistake could mean millions of dollars in damage or delays in critical military operations. Beyond the battlefield. While designed primarily for military use, the CH-53K and C-5 duo also play a crucial role in humanitarian efforts. During natural disasters, when roads are destroyed and ports are inaccessible, these machines deliver food, medical supplies, and rescue vehicles. Both the US and Japan have relied heavily on airlift capabilities in times of crisis, and this partnership strengthens their ability to respond rapidly anywhere in the Asia-Pacific region. Why this mission matters. The successful delivery of Japan's CH-53K by the US Air Force is a powerful symbol of international cooperation and military innovation. It highlights the strong technological partnership between the US and Japan, emphasizing their shared commitment to modernizing their defense forces. Beyond symbolism, the operation provides a strategic advantage by enabling rapid deployment of military assets across vast distances, ensuring forces remain mobile and ready. Equally crucial is its role in humanitarian preparedness. Japan's frequent natural disasters make the CH-53K essential for quickly delivering aid and supplies to affected areas. Combined with the C-5 Galaxy's long-range capabilities, this mission forms a powerful logistics chain that supports both military operations and disaster relief. This mission is not just about transporting hardware, it's about strengthening alliances, ensuring resilience, and demonstrating that no challenge is too great when allied forces work together. Thanks for joining us on this look at the CH-53K and its journey inside the mighty C-5 Galaxy. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up to support the channel. Subscribe now for more exciting stories on military tech, aviation, and engineering marvels. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Until then, fly high and stay curious.